Hey guys, welcome back. Returning to Ebisu this time, so to tackle the last track. Although I'm not sure if you can call it a track, but we're going to give the touge course a go. So the touge course had always interested me. However, when I first gave it a go, it was a lot more difficult than I actually initially anticipated. And this time we're going to be jumping into an S13 with a K20 swap. So it's also got a TD06 turbo, adjustable coilovers. Don't know what power by max arms is, if that is a person or that's actually a part. GK Tech knuckles, 420 wheel horsepower, almost 400 newton meters of torque, 1200 kilos, and this car has a pretty nice power band. So with that, let's jump in. So the head's in a bit of a weird spot again. Move that forward. Alright, so this is the touge course. So start off with the pit area. You come up the hill to this hairpin, and then another little uphill section through some S's. I'm just using second. So you crest there and come down this little part where you get a bit of speed. You come to these corners, downhill, another little tight corner here. Comes back up. So I've been caught out here a couple of times because it gets this section tightens up a fair bit. Oh. So let me come down to the last hairpin and do that right. And back to the start. So that's the basic layout, lots of elevation change, a few hairpins, just try not to bang off the limiter, try to keep it going in second, so here I'll try and go third, get some more speed, and then you gotta shave it back off for this little section. Probably shouldn't have put the clutch in then. So I have gone into third here, but then I end up overshooting that little part there. Oh, in the bush. It stuffed me up. Back to the start. So I do, after driving it a few times now, I do like it, but like I said, I find it quite intimidating at first. And third. Hold it out wide there. Cutting too much. Hopefully by the end of this I can actually get a decent lap to show you, but big handbrake. So my favourite part of the course is probably just this little hairpin here, down to the hairpin down the bottom, which I didn't get right. Nope. And then the hairpin, yeah, just linking those three sections when you get it right. It's really nice. The graphics, like, I've done a good job. Like, once you got the layout, I guess the graphics don't really matter. The layout and the elevation and everything's the most important part. Big handbrake, look again. But just having nice graphics really helps with the immersion. And so I like all the trees around. And you occasionally see it, you can see hills in the distance, like up there, so it feels like you're in the mountains. it is a well-made mod. So I'm trying to just modulate the throttle, so I'm not just sitting off the limiter in second gear all the time. This part, I don't really have a choice, so I don't want to go to third and get too much speed, and then overshoot that corner. Oh, too much. But yeah, definitely fun course for touge. The S13. I do like the handling of it. I think I am I am used to the DWG cars now, so they don't feel that foreign to me. Limiter in third. You got it wide enough. I have read lots of posts that everyone recommends the DWG cars as the most realistic. Really got nothing to base it on, but they weren't as easy as the Drift Tour street cars. But once you get used to them, grass, they're good. I like the KA in this. It's good power. Looks like the red line was around 8 then. Oh no. Hit the wrong button on the steering wheel then. That really threw me. Oh no. Alright. Let's take a corner, get back into the rhythm. Alright, we'll go from here. Yeah, the KA is good. I've really thrown myself now. Nice high red line, nice torque. Oh, I'm in third, that's why. Yeah, it's better. So yeah, trying to feather the throttle to keep it off the limiter, to keep the drift going. Third for that top section. Back to second then for the rest of it again. Like the model in this car is pretty good. I think all the ones based on Gran Turismo models are pretty good. I guess you had a glimpse of the outside before. I don't think there's anything in the interior of this one. I don't really have a chance to have a look properly. And I lost count of the number of laps I was doing, so might do one more after this. We'll call it there. It is, compared to some of the other courses, and especially like the FD tracks, it is quite long to try and string together one full decent lap. But definitely this is a nice car to do it in. Alright, last lap. So second up the hill, just feather the throttle to try and keep it off the limiter. let the car fishtail through. Go third for up here. Oops. Fucking up to here, but that's alright. Oh, I know. Yep. Talking too much. Not concentrating on drifting. Oh, my last lap's going to be a messy one, but I use the excuse the track's fairly long and it's not just a couple of corners. There we go, touge course done. That was the last course to try with Ebisu. It's all been pretty fun, and yeah, this touge course is definitely a lot of fun and different to all the others. Would be fun on a server with a bunch of mates, just driving around on it. But yeah, with that, thanks for watching, guys.